The Urus is Lamborghini's second SUV, following the Lambo LM002, but it's not exactly a purebred Italian. It rides on the same platform as other elegant beasts of burden such as the Audi Q7, Q8, Porsche Cayenne, and the Bentley Bentayga. Even the 657 HP twin-turbo V8 is made in Germany before getting shipped to Sant'Agata Bolognese, where the Urus is assembled. An upcoming hybrid powertrain will double down on the Urus's saddle of electronics. Lamborghini doesn't change much for the 2024 Urus, but CEO Stephan Winkelmann did confirm that the high-performance SUV is getting a hybrid powertrain in 2024, either replacing or complementing the current 657 HP twin-turbo V8 engine. The Urus is powered by a 657 HP twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8. The planned hybrid powertrain hasn't been revealed yet, but we'll update this space when that information becomes available. The Urus's engine burbles deeply when idling, and absolutely howls under full throttle. Permanent all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission conspire with all that power to enable fantastic acceleration.